Namaste. On occasion of completion of 43rd year of Purva School of Bharatanatyam, I, Rashmi Kulkarni, welcome you to our wonderful Gurukul. When we talk about Purva School of Bharatanatyam, there are a lot of things that comes to my mind. It is an organization which is set with a non-profit making motto. It doesn't work for the purpose of earning money. It is more for the spread of this beautiful culture to the entire world. And to a large extent, Purva has been very, very successful in doing so. Performing at various platforms across the globe has been a feather in the cap of Purva amongst the many others. Purva School of Bharatanatyam follows the Gurukul Parampara. Now, when I say Gurukul Parampara, we go back to the roots where the actual education used to happen at the Gurukul. Gurukul is where Guru was there and the student was there. There was no intervention of the society or any other external forces, and the sole purpose was just to transform the education, the knowledge, the skills, and of course the art form. And that's what we've been doing here at Gurukul, which we call Purva School of Bharatanatyam. When we look at the methodologies which are used in the Purva School of Bharatanatyam, it is a combination of what the traditional methods are and the traditional art form is with the current scenario or the science. When I say science, each and every mudra is taught in a very scientific manner. Every movement is linked to science. So if you really dig deeper, you will see, you will find chemistry, you will find physics, and you will find mathematics in each of the elements which are taught. When I say chemistry, chemistry between the group which is performing together, where without looking at anybody, we still get the energy of what the other person is doing. When you look at the physics, the line, the ankles that are taught. The methods which are used in Purva School of Bharatanatyam are a combination of the traditional art forms and giving a link to the modern science. This is where the students are able to connect our traditions to the actual reality or actual science that they are studying in their school. We talk about math, we talk about chemistry, we talk about physics. Everything is present in our traditional art form. When I say chemistry, it is where each one of us connected as a group, connected as an individual, when we perform, say for example, on the stage, we are able to feel how the other person is actually moving without having to look at them. When I talk about physics, if you look closely, the Bharatanatyam art form or any of our classical Indian art forms will have a symmetry in them, will have a balance in them. If a hand goes up, the second goes down, and it is in a straight line. This is nothing but physics which helps you maintain your balance. When we talk about math, the calculation of the steps which are done, the calculation of the addos which are performed or the items which are done, they are fixed. Whatever movements are there, they may be single speed, they may be double speed, they may be third speed, but they will arrive at a fixed place. This is how scientific this particular art form is, and this is what is taught at Purva School of Bharatanatyam. I have been very fortunate for being a part of the Purva School of Bharatanatyam since last 30 years or more. There have been innumerable experiences that I have had as a student, as a performer, and later on taking on the role, multiple roles, starting from the alumni of the Purva School of Bharatanatyam to the president of the Purva School of Bharatanatyam to handling the back end whenever the festivals or programs are conducted. Along with that, I am also fortunate to learn new skills where it comes to talking about standing in front of an audience, introducing yourself, introducing the program, introducing the artist. So taking care of the anchoring portion also is something that I have learned here. Each student, if you talk to them, will be able to give so many experiences because Bharatanatyam, especially when we learn at Purva School of Bharatanatyam, is not just an art form, it is a way of life. We inculcate everything that we have learned here in all walks of life. You will see higher discipline, you will see better time management, you will see better connect with people, and mostly we are all emotionally and physically so strong that we are able to take care of all the challenges that come through our life. Come and experience this at Purva School of Bharatanatyam. There is nothing better than that. I would also like to take this opportunity to give a special mention to our Guruji Shri Sharad Pandya and our Guruma Shri Neeru Pandya. When we talk about Guruji, you have an elderly figure, you have a father figure in him. His way of teaching with a lot of patience, with a lot of deep understanding of the particular art form, with a lot of understanding of the rag and tal systems, he transforms us to an entire place where we are able to feel and incorporate whatever is there in the art form in detail in us as individuals. We have seen a great connect with Guruji. We have experienced many things other than art form also, be it going on study tours, be it visiting historical places, or be it several natural outings that we have had along with him. Not only this, but the way the education happens, the way Guruji very patiently explains all minute details, ensuring that the authenticity of the art form stays. But along with that, the connect with the art form is created by the student. This is all credit goes to our great Guruji. He is the maestro indeed, and all of us have gained so much from him. Not to forget Guruma, who is actually the backbone of the organization. In the background, we don't even realize, but she facilitates, even though it is a performance or it is a classroom education that we are taking, she facilitates the entire process so seamlessly that we do not even realize that, but she keeps continuing doing her efforts and completes it. This is what we find at Purva. When I want to list out what we get, it is a big list. But of course, I cannot forget the pillars of Purva, Guruji and Neeru Pandya.